I challenged myself to create cinematic, realistic 3D documentary videos using AI without spending a single dollar. No paid tools, no hidden tricks. In this video, I am breaking down the entire process step by step and giving it to you for free. Most people love watching these professional-looking animated history videos, but only a few creators know how to make them without a budget, and even fewer are willing to teach it because they package the same method into expensive courses. Today, that changes. Watch this video till the end, and you will be able to create unlimited documentary videos like this with zero cost. If you want real skills, real workflows, and no gatekeeping, subscribe to ReachMora. Let's build this together. I have already prepared 3 powerful prompts for you so this entire process can be automated. You will find them linked in the description. No guesswork, no confusion. We start with idea and script generation using ChatGPT. Open the document and copy the first prompt. Paste it directly into ChatGPT and hit enter. This instantly generates 10 high-impact historical documentary ideas designed to work perfectly under 60 seconds, all written in clear English. If none of them click, just type try again and generate a fresh list. Once you pick a topic, it is time to write the full script. Go back to the document, copy the second prompt, and paste it into the same ChatGPT conversation. Before you send it, make sure you replace the topic inside the brackets with your chosen idea. For example, World War II. Hit enter, and within seconds, you will get a short, professional documentary narration with a cinematic and informative tone, ready for voiceover. Before turning this into audio, we need to break the script into visual scenes. For that, copy the third prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt converts your narration into realistic 3D text-to-video prompts, optimized for cinematic lighting, accurate scale, and smooth camera movement. Next comes the voiceover. Copy the full script from ChatGPT and open 11 Labs. Paste the script into the editor and choose a documentary-style voice. Adjust the speed or tone if needed, then generate the voiceover. Once you are happy with it, download the audio and move on. Now it is time to generate the visuals using Grok. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first scene prompt. We are skipping image generation today, so head directly to grok.com. This tool is completely free and allows up to 20 video generations per day on a single account. Click on the Imagine tab, set the video ratio to 3:2, since we will adjust it later in CapCut. Paste the prompt and hit enter. In seconds, your first cinematic scene is ready. Download it. Repeat the same process for every scene. Copy the next scene prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Grok, generate, and download. Scene by scene, you will build all the visuals for your mini documentary completely free. Finally, bring everything together in CapCut. Open CapCut and import all your video clips along with the voiceover. Drag the clips onto the timeline, set the project to 16:9, and adjust each clip as needed. Then place the voiceover on the timeline and align each scene with the narration. Add auto-generated captions and apply a clean, dynamic caption style that fits documentary content. If you want, add subtle background music to enhance the atmosphere. Once everything looks right, export the video. That is it.
World War II began in 1939 when Nazi Germany invaded Poland, pulling Europe and then the world into the deadliest conflict in human history. In 6 years, the war spread across continents, from the bombed cities of London and Berlin to
You can now create unlimited professional-looking documentary videos using only ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and Grok without spending a single dollar. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to ReachMora, and I will keep sharing workflows like this. See you in the next one.